Hello, this is Kevin and Novi. We would like to share to you some of the things that we love to do together. So we baked this cake for our little angel for her 9th birthday in heaven last May. This is the hot milk sponge cake. And this is the first time that we're going to try this. So these are the ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup cake flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half a cup boiling milk, and that's we are going to boil that one later, and a tablespoon of butter, and 1.5 teaspoon vanilla extract. There you go. So guys, this is another trick that you can do. What do you call that, honey?
Baking bands.
So what's the purpose of that?
You wet them so that you don't get as much doming and it cooks more evenly.
But don't forget to wet the band. So he soaked it already for how long? Maybe 5 to 10 minutes?
Yeah,
as long as
10 minutes and then
10 minutes.
Squeeze it out.
Yep.
So you don't have too much.
So our pans are pretty much ready, and we're gonna move on to start mixing our ingredients. So first thing is you have to crack the eggs into that mixing bowl there and beat for about a minute. Kevin is doing that. Of course, it's always the baker. I'm just a cameraman.
Best thing ever.
And this time we're going to slowly add the sugar and continue beating until the mixture is very thick and pale. Just continue beating until we get the right texture. And while waiting, we're going to sift all the dry ingredients. Flour, cake flour, baking powder, sift them together for 4 times. So our dry ingredients are ready, sifted for 4 times, and put them aside for now. Now it's time to check our mixture.
That's what we call ribboning. Yeah, that's the
Okay.
ribboning. So it stays on the surface a little bit.
The next step, heat the milk and butter in a small pan just to boiling. It's boiling now. Just boiling.
Beat on low speed as you slowly pour in the hot milk into the egg mixture.
The batter is ready, and we're going to transfer it to our pans. And we are weighing our pans to have an even distribution of our batter. And bake for about 20 minutes. So this is it after 20 minutes. So we're going to check it by inserting a stick in the middle, and if it comes out clean, that means it's cooked. Is it clean? A little longer? After adding 2 more minutes, there you go, our cakes are ready. Then let them cool completely. This time we're gonna make our cream cheese frosting. Cheese there already, and our cream cheese frosting. And you have to make sure that your cream cheese and butter are in room temperature. Make sure to mix mix them well to eliminate lumps in the mixture. Add 3/4 cup of confectioner's sugar. And we added a 1/4 cup and 1 tablespoon of whipping cream already. It's about done, and now let's beautify our cake. So this is the first layer of our cake. So this is not gonna be a very fancy decoration. This is just a simple one. So this is the first layer. And let's put the next layer. Don't forget to remove the liner. There. I think my cake is not the same. I'm just going to move it a little bit. Yeah, I think that's fine. Now we're gonna cover the top and the side. Which I usually go around first on the side. And here, we're just gonna add it on the top. Just like that. And just turn your stand round and round, round and round. So this time I'm adding this sprinkle of different color. So just adding them on the side. Just like that. I'm trying not to create a mess. So this is a long process of doing this. I could just sprinkle it on the side using my hands, but I prefer to do it this way. It's very colorful for my baby. Okay, this time we're just gonna add this decoration on top. So guys, what do you think? There you go guys, our cake is done. Happy birthday baby angel, this is for you. Our hot milk sponge cake with cream cheese frosting flavored with cherry and topped with amaranth cherry. My most favorite one. Hope you like it. Hope baby Angel is very happy with this cake. This is very special for you, my love. Thank you, Tito Kevin, for helping mommy. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. A special thanks to my family in the Philippines too, especially the kids who always remember the birthday of baby Angel every year and celebrate. Thank you very much. I love you all.